Verifying TapTap Send and send money transfers is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. The first step is to verifying your TapTap Send account. This is crucial for sending larger amounts and lifting certain limitations. There are two main ways to verify. For the first way, submit a picture of your valid ID, such as passport, driver's license, and a selfie holding the ID. This usually takes 1 to 2 business days to process. Or you can upload additional documents like proof of address and bank statements if prompted by TapTap Send. This might be required for specific countries or high-value transactions. Then, we have to send money transfers. Once verified, you can easily send money through TapTap Send. Enter the recipient's name, email, or phone number associated with their TapTap Send account. Then, specify how much you want to send and the currency you're using. Double-check all details before confirming the transfer.